Hi parents! If your toddler is going to school soon, I know you're probably asking, what's the best kind of education for my child? This is Rachel Ragulcos, your mom on duty. As a first-time parent, malaking decision talaga ang pagpili ng school for our little one. For me and my husband kasi, it's not about early reading or kailangan magaling ka na magbilang. At this age kasi, about 2.5 to 4 years old, our child needs play, connection, and curiosity. So, yun yung mga hinanap namin sa mapipili naming preschool for our little one. Kasi we're choosing the place where our child will first learn how to dream. So, I just want to share to my co-parents the key elements na kinonsider namin sa pagpili ng early education for our toddler. First is yung play-based learning. Children at this age learn best through play. Activities like pretend play, blocks, music, dancing, and arts help develop creativity and motor skills. Second, social and emotional development. Ito kasi yung learning how to share, how to take turns, express their feelings, and yung pag interact nila with other people and sa kapwa nila bata. Third, structured routine with flexibility. Flexibility is important to adapt to their energy levels and moods. Fourth, language and communication. Ito yung singing songs, reading stories, and encouraging conversations to support language development. Fifth, safe and nurturing environment. Yung sa pagpili namin ng preschool, kinonsider din namin yung low student to teacher ratio. Sa paraan kasi na ganun, mas natututukan at nababantayan yung safety at progress ng bata. Sixth, physical activities. Ito yung gross motor development kagaya ng running and jumping. And fine motor skills like drawing and stacking, magandang kasama yon sa daily activities ng mga bata. Seventh, family involvement. Pagdating kasi sa education ng ating mga anak, mahalagang involved din tayo sa progress nila. Kasi hindi naman natatapos sa school ang learning ng mga bata. Dapat, pinapractice din natin ito sa bahay. That's why it's important to have regular updates sa school or sa teacher to provide better support. And here are the final tips for choosing the preschool for our child. Tip number 1, visit the school. You could schedule a school tour sa mga naging options nyo. Better then if kasama si toddler para at least makita niya yung school environment and ma-observe nyo din sila. There are preschools na nag-o-offer ng free trial classes para ma-assess and ma-check natin ang mga kids natin. Para makapag-prepare at hindi naman sila ma-overwhelmed pagdating ng pasukan. Number 2, ask about the daily routine. Is there a time for play, snacks, nap, and movement? Maganda din i-ask ang schedule or time ng class para makapag-decide kayo kung pang-umaga ba or pang-hapon nyo i-enroll ang inyong anak. And tip number 3, trust your instincts. A school should feel warm, safe, and joyful. So, if you're choosing a preschool for your child, don't stress about academics yet. Look for a school where your child can explore and imagine, and also, yung alam nating safe sila kahit wala tayo sa tabi nila. Save this video if nagpe-prepare na kayo for preschool season. And don't forget to follow me for more mom tips.